Our next speaker is going to be Ron Ryel. Ron got his PhD at the University of Würzburg in Germany in plant ecophysiology, and his master's at Utah State in wildlife ecology. He's an assistant professor here in plant physiological ecology in the Wildland resource department. He's been here for 4 years, and prior to that, he has worked with water relations in the Great Basin for the past 20 years. He's worked specifically on Aspen the past 3 years. And he is really the prime mover in facilitating Aspen work here at Utah State and coordinating with us. The topic of Ron's talk will be water relations and water yields in Aspen and Conifer forests. Ron?
Thanks, Dale, and thanks for the opportunity to be able to present some of the research that we have going on here at Utah State. Okay, today I'm going to be talking about a research project we have looking at water relations in Aspen and Conifer communities. And I want to give credit up front here to a master's student of mine, LaMalfa, who's done a lot of the on-hands field work and also has certainly contributed a bit to some of the ideas on this work as well. You've been hearing today about the Aspen decline, Aspen die-off. It's certainly a real issue, and I'm certainly not the one to be telling you it's a real issue. You're hearing from the experts who are telling you it's a real issue. But it's certainly been a widespread problem, certainly in Intermountain West. In Utah alone, estimates are from 50 to 60% reduction in aspen forest cover since the first European colonizations. There's similar reductions in other western states. Colorado perhaps has actually had an increase, which is a little bit different exchange. But over large areas of Intermountain West, this decline has been quite sizable. In the areas of decline, encroachment and replacement by various conifer species has been very prevalent. It's certainly not happening in all areas of aspen decline, and certainly you saw some in Charles Kay's presentation dealing with aspen decline. You saw some nice photos where aspen decline, it wasn't conifer, had come in afterward. But the bottom line is a lot of areas that there's conifer encroaching into aspen. Well, this conifer encroachment at Aspen has resulted in a lot of resource value changes, certainly from the perspective of humans and their multi-use needs in these forest lands. And one of those particular changes has been a hypothesized change in water yield that are coming out of these watersheds. The hypothesis that has been tossed around by quite a few different people is that aspen-dominated watersheds yield more water than those dominated by conifer stands. And so therefore, if we are losing sizable areas of our aspen communities to conifer, there may be significant losses of water resources that can be coming out of these watersheds. And obviously, living in Intermountain West, water is an important resource. And in fact, there's a lot of planning going on today to try and provide for the future needs of the citizens of the Intermountain West.